It is almost 11 o'clock on this lovely Monday, November 3rd. I haven't vlogged yet this morning. I, had my cup of coffee. I made these little mini hash browns. I found these for 69 cents at Aldi. So obviously maybe they don't close out. Literally mini hash browns. And all you do is put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes and they're crispy just like the ones that you get from McDonald's. Just half the size. So I love that. Anyways, today for lunch, I'm just gonna make us some macaroni and cheese, and then basically wash the few little dishes that are over here. Now I gotta put trash out, and honestly, that's really it. Today, I'm gonna try to wash my hair, blow dry it sometime today. That way, tomorrow I just have to do the same for the kids. Hers needs to be taken out, so I'll probably take it out today and then wash it, blow dry it, put it up in a ponytail. That way I can just do it tomorrow. His needs to be washed, blow dried, all that good stuff. So I'm supposed to be working from the high school today, but when you wait until Wednesday to send out any information about it, nah, because I don't have, when it comes to my kids, I made sure that I was a teacher so that I could be home with my kids on days that they didn't have school. So there is, just a couple movies I didn't get to finish before Halloween. So like Twitches 2 on Disney Plus. So I'm just watching some things on there, editing all of the shorts, literally trying to get rid of all the shorts this week that I have. So not creating anymore, just getting them up and off my hard drive. And then I do still need to work on the Myrtle Beach vlog, which I'll probably do today. I just want to make it into a movie. I see a lot of people like Keeping Up with the Griffins, like turn their cruises into like a 1 to 2 hour movie. And I think that that's what I'm trying to do. But I think that overall, like, just getting overwhelmed with it. Because one day is like 28 minutes, another day is like 45 minutes. So like they're all downloaded on my phone. And right now I think it's sitting at 2 hours. So I think I just need to edit it, really edit it. And like, do I want these parts? Do I want this? Do I want that? I think like, also for copyright wise, I want to definitely make sure that it's edited. So that is what I am currently doing. And eventually we want to change around the living room because we got to figure out a way for this tree. Literally, we got to figure out something for this tree. So I think that the 2-pack of, like, it's like a 2-pack chairs with like an umbrella. I'm going to give that, take that over to my grandmother's house, let that stay over there. Then I have like the 3-tier rolling cart. I have a blue one. I'm gonna let that stay at my grandmother's house. And then I have just some things like that I need to get rid of as far as like take to Goodwill, things like that. And then basically, like I said, rearrange. So I'm gonna just move some pictures around in order to move these things and then just kind of play around with it and see, like what looks like what and if I like the idea. So that's what I really need to do. Like I said, it's 11 o'clock. I have plenty of time and kind of go from there. All right, y'all. I got the motivation to get up and clean behind the couch. It was literally like dust, dead spider or two, and just spots that need to be wiped up. Honestly, let me tell y'all something. I, for the first time, used Chat GPT, and did I like it? No. First of all, my living room is not that big. We definitely don't have the space like we used to, and I understand that. because I started crafting and bringing in all of like, you know, my colored container rolling things. So we also have like some things underneath the couch, like picture frames, a soccer goal, things like that, that just, it can go. Like pictures that I've painted, like I said, it can all go. Just really want it to go. Now, when I use Chat GPT, this thing had the nerve to keep putting the Christmas tree at the door. I don't want my Christmas tree at the door. And I don't know why they would want to block the door. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Like if I move the couch this way, what will happen? What will happen if I do this? So that is, you know, currently what I'm working on. And we'll see, you know, what I can come up with. Right now, I need to wipe up behind the couch and kind of, you know, see what's underneath this couch that can really go. If it's like something that I really don't need, by all means, it's going up out of here, literally, as I'm pushing it. I got Jumanji, a summer thing, like all it can go, seriously, because I mean, this one goes in the closet. Yeah, this one's still good, but the summertime one, like I said, it can go. My 2 umbrellas need to go up here. Y'all, this was made when I was 16. All right, so if I'm being transparent, this is honestly really hard because you have to move around pictures. You have to move furniture around. Like I said, once I can get everything out of here, it kind of gives me a better idea. So I will take trash later and then drop the stuff off at Goodwill, come back. But like I said, there's things that just really have to go. It's no need to hold on to it. If it's sitting underneath a couch, we don't need it. Either take it out of the box, put it somewhere, blah, 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 blah. So like I said, I have some rearranging to do with the pictures here. Like I like the word family here, but the TV's gonna go right there. So I'm gonna move that over to this blank wall and kind of just put pictures over here. So I'm gonna see what it's gonna be like to move the TV stand over here. And then the couch, I'm thinking of just going straight down and then having the tree kind of like right here at the door. I don't know. The vision hasn't came to me yet. I mean, of course, like I haven't put my tree up yet. I would love to because it takes so long, you know, to decorate, but I don't want to do the fall stuff still in here along with the Christmas. So I think that the weekend of the 15th, so next weekend, I think I'll pull everything out and do just that. That way Thanksgiving break, I can just focus on cooking, cleaning up, and then, you know, kind of going from there. All right, so I made some mac and cheese, clearly, and I split it with the kids. This is good enough to hold me over until dinner. The reason why I did this is because it was quick, it was easy, but also, you know, Charles thinks like I gotta ask for help, and I don't. I moved this living room around, cleaned it all by myself, realized what needed to go, what can stay. The only thing that I'm upset about is that I really haven't used the mirror that he put up for me. I mean, I can see myself in it, but I won't be able to see like the full outfits, and it's cool because I don't do it anyway. I think just having it, whatever. So there's some things that I broke down. There's some things that need to be given away. There's some things that need to go in the trash. So the last thing, honestly, for me to really do is put the rug back, and then just kind of finish up what was off the couch, and then finish putting stuff in the trunk that needs to go. That way I can do that later. But right now I'm watching Once Upon a Time, trying to finish that completely because I don't feel like I ever have. And yeah, I finished Nobody Wants This. I finished with the Murdaugh show on Hulu. You know, that comes on like every week. And then we did the Ed Gein show on Netflix, y'all. What in the world? So yeah, we've been just like watching a little bit of everything, and right now we are just tied up with that. Like I said, today I am gonna wash my hair. It's just I really have to wait until I no longer have the window open, no longer need to clean anything or put anything away. So probably once I take this stuff later, when Charles gets here, is when I will do just that. All right, y'all, so I've been working hard, trying to get ready to get these dishes done. I need to empty this chest cake out that I made about 2-3 weeks ago. It was just sitting in the refrigerator. Honestly, it was good, but I didn't have enough people to give it to, so I had to bring it back home. Right now, getting this butter chicken out of my sink, and I'm trying to get ready to just relax. Let me show y'all an update on the living room before he gets here, because he has no idea that I did this. I really did this as a surprise to show, like, I can get things out of here. I can, you know, get rid of a bunch of stuff. So I closed up, honestly, everything, because there was like an active shooter up at the university, and people are just crazy. So let me show y'all. All right, so this is going over my grandmother's house along with the turquoise teal rolling cart. The blanket needs to go in the closet, and then in the green bag I've been collecting pine cones, so that the kids can do a craft or whatever at work with that. These I need a box for, so I need to find something to put them in. I need to kind of clean this up and like hang the blanket over the couch. And I need to put our new filter in, but I'll let Chuck do that when he gets here. And then just rearrange that. I was on my computer today, so I really need to clean this crap up. And then I remembered that I wanted to make sure I put this on the Christmas tree, because I got this from Chelsea. And it is my little Starbucks Germany mug. Like I said, I just put the string on it yesterday so that it was ready to be the first thing up on my tree this year. So I vacuumed 1,002 times to make sure I got all the dust bunnies, and all that good stuff up out of here. I am getting ready to spray some stuff on the couch once I can get the couch cleaned off. And I need to vacuum the rug again so I can put the rug back underneath of the couch. So that's what I plan to do right now. Listen, I'm up, I'm out. I'm actually heading to Food Line, y'all, because I need to grab, Lord, where's my lights? I need to grab some food items for tomorrow, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then dinner for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I guess my plan is just to go to McDonald's after and get everybody the $5 meal deals, because ain't nobody spending a bunch of money on food. So that's what I plan on doing. I'll catch y'all at Food Line. I'm tired of McDonald's my damn self. Got your meal deal, yours.